So I'm calling this Black Pill. It's a micro Arduboy based on a design by Romka Hilton from the Arduboy forums, and he posted his little boy, which is actually much better than this. But this is the best I could do. I've got an FDM printer, so you know it's very difficult to produce a case like this on an FDM printer. I had to use the smallest nozzle and the highest resolution to get anywhere close to it. But yeah, there's even got a little speaker. LED lights are there. Just about hear the speaker. So yeah, I mean, I was hoping to make 5 of these, but you know, I was completely defeated by it, to be honest. I'm just chuffed I've got 1. That Romka Hilton's a very, very talented individual. You can tell, really, once you get into it, walk in his shoes for a little bit and try to produce something like this, you realise that you've been outmatched completely. This is one of my rejects here. You can see the gluing went wrong on this. It's fully functional. The electronics are fine. That's the easy part. It's the case that is a nightmare. And as I said, I'd love to have made a few of these and given some away, but you know, it just is not going to happen. This is days of work here, and I can't face trying to make another one. So it's on the surface it seems like a very simple case, just 4 parts, a couple of buttons, and top and bottom. I've made a screen out of I want to say Perspex, but it's not. It's PETG. It's you have to get a bend in there. Use too much heat, it all bubbles up. So, you know, there's a lot of... This one's got a bit of ghosting on it, but possibly you could make one more. I could make one more with this. But this screen is a little bit better, a little bit clearer. There's a couple of PCBs that weren't used. Almost all the components are there. Again, fully functional. And these were the screens I used. There's 0.096 inch, but a special type which is slightly smaller than the regular ones. But yeah, very, very hard to make. And as you'll see, nothing on the original, which I shall show you now.
So, you want to hear a story, huh? What about a mythical miniature Arduboy? A handmade Arduboy so beautiful, so perfect, songs were written about it. People whispered in hushed tones when they talked about Little Boy.
Anyway, not too bad. Not too bad, I don't think, considering it was, you know, it's just been done on an FDM printer. I did post this on the Arduboy forums, and Romka Hilton actually kindly replied and said, you know, do you want the original design files? And I said, no, thank you, because just because I don't think I can make it any better. I've tried resin printers, I don't like them, so I don't honestly think I can make any better than this. This is it. Yeah, it's a, you know, interesting design. I'm not going to release any of my files because they're not really mine to give out. And you know, cloning other people's work, that's fine if you're just going to make it for yourself like this. As I said, it'd be completely outrageous to sort of start posting you know, copied files or trying to sell them. Not that anybody can make this and sell it. But yeah, it was an interesting project, and I think next time we'll stick to something a little bit larger. Thanks for watching.